Hi, the domain name system, DNS, is a fundamental component of the Internet that acts as a directory service for translating human-readable domain names into IP addresses. The IP addresses are used by computers to communicate with each other over the Internet. When a user enters a domain name into a web browser, the browser sends a request to a DNS server to translate the domain name into an IP address. The DNS server looks up the IP address in its database and returns the address to the browser. The browser can then send a request to the IP address to retrieve the content associated with the domain name. The DNS system is organized into a hierarchical structure of domains and subdomains. The root domain is the top-level domain, such as .com or .org, and each subdomain is a branch of the root domain. For example, the domain name www.example.com is a subdomain of the root domain .com. DNS servers can be categorized into two types, authoritative and recursive. Authoritative DNS servers are responsible for maintaining the database of domain names and their corresponding IP addresses. Recursive DNS servers are responsible for resolving domain names into IP addresses. A recursive DNS server can initiate multiple queries to different authoritative DNS servers until it has obtained the IP address associated with a domain name. There are multiple benefits to using the DNS system. Human-readable domain names. The use of domain names makes it easier for humans to remember and access websites, as opposed to using IP addresses, which are more difficult to remember. Scalability. The hierarchical structure of the DNS system enables it to scale to accommodate a large number of domain names and IP addresses. Redundancy. The DNS system is designed to be redundant, meaning that multiple DNS servers can be used to resolve a single domain name, providing increased reliability and availability. In conclusion, the domain name system, DNS, is a critical component of the Internet that enables the translation of human-readable domain names into IP addresses. It is a hierarchical, scalable, and redundant system that provides a directory service for the Internet. Understanding the DNS system is an important aspect of computer networking and web development.